Kahit gaano ka kayaman, kahit gaano ka kaganda, kahit gaano ka makapangyarihan sa tingin mo, you cannot control everything in our life. Walang buhay na problem-free. Kung hindi natin matatakasan, might as well harapin natin. But most of us, hinaharap natin ang bad news our way. Paano ko haharapin kapag may bad news? When bad news comes, turn to God. Hahanapin ko ang presensya ng Panginoon. Huwag kang lumapit lang sa Diyos kapag ka nangangailangan ka. Place Him on top of everything. He wants us to seek Him every day, bawat araw ng ating buhay. In the middle of bad news, remember who your God is. Reminding yourself of who God is builds up your faith. Pero huwag mong hayaan na madiktahan ng feelings mo ang pananampalataya mo. Whatever you need, He will supply. He is the provider. God is a promise keeper. And I'm telling everyone, if He did it before, He will do it again. Kapag may bad news, just stand still. Be at peace. Hindi ka mabibigyan ng Panginoon ng kapayapaan hanggat hindi mo binibigay sa Diyos ang laman ng puso mo. Huwag nating ilagay ang ating focus sa mga problema, kapatid. Hindi mo kayang solusyonan yan, pero yung Diyos mo kaya yan eh. Fourth and last, when bad news comes, give thanks to the Lord. Kahit hindi pa nasolusyonan ng Diyos, magpasalamat ka na. Because you know God is with you.